Hey, Franz! Have you seen my compositions? I need to hand them in by tonight.
Yeah, I put them on the table. They should still be there.
Great, thanks! Huh? No. Where are they? Oh, hey Pyotr. What you up to?
Hey, Niccolò. I'm just folding paper balls with some scrap paper I found on the table.
Oh, cool.
Is something the matter, Niccolò?
Yeah. So, Pyotr? That scrap paper didn't happen to have music on it, did it?
I think so. Why do you ask?
That was my composition!
Oh, whoopsie daisy.